Stop for just a moment. When was the last time you smiled? Really smiled? And noticed how it made you feel? I'm Sonali and welcome back to Smaran. Whether you're following along in our 30-day mindfulness challenge or you are just joining us for the first time, today's practice is something you can do anytime, anywhere. It is simple but surprisingly powerful. Mindful smiling. Let's dive in. A smile is a small gesture, but did you know it can instantly boost your mood, even if you don't feel like smiling at first? Today, we'll take a few minutes to focus on the act of smiling. We will notice its effects on both your mind and body. First, take a deep breath in and exhale. Now, I invite you to gently smile. It doesn't have to be big or forced, just a light, natural smile. As you hold that smile, pay attention to how your face feels. Notice the muscles in your cheeks and around your eyes as they soften. Feel the corners of your lips lifting. Now, take a moment to breathe deeply while holding this gentle smile. As you inhale, feel a sense of warmth or lightness spreading from your face down through your body. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you have been holding on to. It may seem simple, but this small act of mindful smiling can actually shift your mindset, releasing feel-good hormones like endorphins and serotonin, which naturally boost your mood. Take another deep breath in and exhale with your smile. Now think about something that makes you genuinely happy or someone who brings you joy. Hold that feeling as you continue to smile. You have just completed mindful smiling, and even in just a few minutes, you have tapped into your body's natural ability to boost your mood. It doesn't matter what kind of day you're having. Anytime you need a quick pick-me-up, come back to this simple practice. How did it feel to focus on your smile today? Let us know in the comments below. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Smaran family. Don't forget to subscribe for more mindful practices and join us for the rest of the challenge. Tomorrow is day 25 and we are getting closer to finish line. You've got this. Keep smiling.